Welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, let me say this first. Food isn't just calories, food is information. Food is frequency, and I'm here to inspire you to get into the kitchen and cook. Let's raise your frequency one bite at a time. The weather is breaking, the sun is coming back, your body is trying to wake up right now, and some of you are still feeding it like it's winter. I just did a video of like the random ingredients. So there's no recipe. I just looked at what I had in the fridge, and here we go. We made something. So heavy processed dead food, that's what keeps you fucking sluggish, foggy, and disconnected from source. And then you sit there like, why do I feel off? Because it's what you're putting into your meat soup. Because you're not giving your body anything it actually knows what to do with. Those chemicals were not made to process chemicals. So if your energy's been feeling weird, your mood's been off, your body feels heavy, check what you're putting into your meat soup. Because this right here, this is how you shift it. And I'm not doing anything fancy. I opened the freaking fridge, grabbed what I had, random ingredients left over from other recipes. You know, we don't waste anything here. So tricolor rotini, get the bronze cut. Stop buying that shiny fake ass freaking pasta. Black beans, grounding, keeps you steady. Orange bell pepper, cucumber, hydration, freshness, lightness. Jalapeño kickstart, wake the system up. Lime is what brings everything together, so don't skip it. Cilantro, cleanse, it pulls out heavy metals from your system. Scallions, garlic is the bouncer. Red onion, that sharp protective layer. Flavor with a backbone. Pineapple, sweet, but also helps your body actually digest this. Carrot for crunch. Earth, balance. Found the little queso fresco, little creamy, little salty. It ties it all together. Found the avocado too, because that wasn't in my first video. So that's healthy fats, smooths everything out, keeps you full without weighing you down. Olive oil, this is your carrier. It moves everything through your body properly. Sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, minerals, flavor. Wake up that palate. Cumin, smoked paprika. Now we're building depth, warmth, grounding. This whole bowl is made to hit all your chakras. That's it. Nothing complicated, no rules, no stress, no overthinking. Nothing goes to waste in this kitchen. Everything gets repurposed and transformed into something new. Same way you're supposed to be moving. You don't need a perfect plan to eat better. You just need to start. Throw it in a bowl, mix it up, taste as you go, adjust. There's no rules to this. Only baking. Baking is a science though. So your body will tell you what it needs if you actually start listening. And once you start eating like this, that processed junk doesn't even hit the same. It's not discipline, it's called alignment. And I'm about to mix this up, let it sit in the fridge because, you know, I like letting the flavors marry. Let them all get to know one another. And then, damn, I'm gonna have a nice, healthy dinner. Everything I make is like, taste the rainbow up in here. Forget the Skittles. Raise your frequency. Recipe is gonna be in the captions because, you know, I winged this one. So I'm gonna put ratios for you guys, but you know, there's no rules to cooking, whatever your heart desires. And plus, if you need clues on chakra food, color coordinated carrot, orange bell pepper, sacral, pineapple, solar, anything green is your heart. So the more you know, and if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons, show me some love, drop me a comment, save it for later, share it with a friend, and stay tuned for what I come up with next.